everybody, it's Rod with the Photo Fair. We've got a show coming up March 21st at the Newark Pavilion in Newark, California. We're looking forward to having a view camera basic class, teaching you how to use a view camera. That's becoming very popular, 4x5, 5x7, 8x10 cameras. And while you're at the Photo Fair, you'll find all kinds of 4x5 cameras, lenses, and equipment, so you can get started in this new craze of bringing back an old way of making images, and it's a lot of fun. We've got discount tickets available on Eventbrite. Just look for Photo Fair. You can also get a limited supply of free passes from Seawood Photo in San Rafael, California. Be sure to visit photofair.com for more information.